No time to put together a meal? Well, Costco's got you covered. There are so many ready-to-eat meals here at Costco that even Grogu could enjoy. So let's go. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about low-carb, delicious and nutritious food, travel, and health for our keto-friendly lifestyle. Please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you new videos every week. So first, let's start with breakfast. This is a keto-friendly cereal called Catalina Crunch. For those keto lovers that have been missing a crunchy cereal, this might do the trick. Although it has 5 net grams of carbs per half cup of serving and is made of Catalina flour and then sweetened with stevia and monk fruit. Now for a bit nuttier version, there is a Keto Nut Granola, which has 3 grams of net carbs per serving. While the serving size here is only a third of a cup, it is only made of seeds and nuts, and not actually granola. This is then sweetened with erythritol and monk fruit. Now, I've reviewed this in my other videos, but this is the Ratio keto-friendly yogurt. It comes in 2 flavors of vanilla or strawberry, and each cup is 2 grams of net carbs per serving. One watch out here is it is sweetened with sucralose, so depending on your appetite for sort of artificial sweeteners, this may or may not be an option for you. I saw another yogurt brand, which is the Oikos 000 yogurt. This is a Greek yogurt, and it looks like 0 artificial sweeteners, so everything's looking good, except that the net carb count of 7 grams net carbs is a little bit on the higher side. This does come with 3 flavors, strawberry, mixed berry, and vanilla, and it is sweetened with stevia extract. If you've tried this one, let me know what you think. Now for a hot breakfast that doesn't take a long time to make, we have these egg bites. These are a quick way to get the right macros in with your fats and proteins in the morning in only 90 seconds. At less than 1 gram of net carb for 2 bites, and this is for the cheese and uncured bacon flavor, this is a great low-carb option in the morning. Now there's also another one that's the spinach and bell pepper bites, and this is with just the egg whites. Now despite the numbers on the front of the packaging, if you look at the ingredients, this does have 6 grams of net carbs, mainly due to the vegetables, and their incorporation of cottage cheese. But for those that prefer an egg white, this could be a great option. Now moving on to lunch, there are a few options to create your own sandwiches or wraps. Here's a crepini egg wrap. This is great for wrapping some cheese or cold cuts, and at 0 net grams of carbs, it's just egg. Nearby, I saw these cauliflower sandwich thins made of cauliflower, eggs, and cheese. At 2 grams of net carbs per 2 slices, this could be a great bread replacement for making sandwiches or even breakfast sandwiches. Now speaking of breakfast sandwiches, here is an Egg Witch turkey sausage ready-to-make keto-friendly sandwich. It uses a turkey sausage, cheese, and then eggs for the bread. At 3 grams of net carbs per sandwich and about 2 minutes to make, these are great for on the go. Now instead of sandwiches, if you prefer something with a bit more crunch, here are a few options to make your own Lunchables or a quick snack. I've talked about these Parmesan crisps in other videos. They are very crunchy and tasty, but have 5 grams of net carbs per serving. More recently, another option has emerged in the form of these keto crackers. These also have 5 net grams of carbs per serving, and they contain a few different types of seeds. Now, both of these options do contain some rice flour to get that crunch, so it really depends on whether you think 5 net grams of carbs per serving is reasonable for a snack or not. Now, what do you put on these crackers? Well, I like to go for guacamole, and these Kirkland brand ready-to-eat single packets of guacamole are the perfect choice. Filled with healthy fats and other nutrients, These are 2 net grams of carbs per little packet. Now, if you're looking for just a beefy snack, these are great. Not only are these incredibly large, they're made purely of beef and with some seasonings. I find them much more enjoyable than beef jerky, and with beef jerky, you need to watch out for added sugars. Now moving on to dinner, I found some really great options that are ready to make. Here's a bacon-wrapped chicken stuffed with a blend of cheeses. Now these do take about 40 minutes in the oven, but at 1 gram of carbs per serving, these are awesome. I also found this cauliflower stir-fried rice. Now I have a recipe for stir-fried cauliflower rice, and I'll put that in the description below. But these are great if you don't want to take the time to cut up your vegetables and put it all together. You can also add your own meats if you choose. As is, this is 6 grams of net carbs per 1 cup serving. I still prefer to control my own ingredients, but in a pinch, this could be a very quick way to stir-fry away. Now, if rice isn't your thing and you prefer noodles, these healthy noodles made of Shirataki noodles are a great option. You can eat them hot or cold, and they're 0 grams of carbs per serving. Now, there are all sorts of recipes you can eat with these. However, I'll show you a couple ready-made sauces that you can pair very well with these noodles next. First is a Tikka Masala sauce. Now, a couple spoonfuls of these would make a great buttery, curry-flavored sauce for your noodles. A 1/4 cup serving comes with 6 net grams of carbs. Next, we have this Kale Pesto with white cheddar sauce. At 4 grams of net carbs per 1/4 cup serving, this provides an herby, creamy sauce for your noodles. Now here's a Lemongrass Chicken that's microwavable, and you can put this over either the noodles or the rice. At 4 grams of net carbs per serving, this is an easy addition to any cauliflower rice or shirataki noodles. All right, on to the meats. Here we have a prepackaged carne asada. While this does need to be cooked on the stovetop or grill, it is pre-marinated and ready to go. Next to that, we have a shawarma chicken thigh. Again, pre-seasoned and pre-marinated, this is ready to go. And since this is dark meat as the chicken thigh, it's really hard to mess up. It's really foolproof, either on the grill or in the oven. Also at 3 net grams of carbs per serving. Now we saw beef and chicken, now there's a pork option. This is a pepper-crusted pork loin fillet. Oh, and it's wrapped in more pork in the form of applewood smoked bacon. Also at 3 grams of net carbs per serving, this does need to be cooked in the oven. Now, if you don't want to do any cooking whatsoever, here is a beef sirloin that's already pre-marinated and pre-cooked. All you need to do is heat it up, or actually you can eat it cold if you'd like. At 1 net gram of carb per serving, it doesn't get easier than this. After a hearty meal, I'd be remiss if I didn't talk about some dessert options. For a quick chocolate fix, there are these keto nuggets, which are chocolate, coconut, and some seeds. These are 6 grams of net carbs per serving and sweetened with erythritol. Another chocolate option are these Choc XO, Choc Keto snaps, basically a small candy bar. These are 3 grams of net carbs per 2 snap serving, and it is sweetened with cane sugar. These last 2 are my favorite desserts from Costco that are keto friendly. One is the no sugar keto cups. These are peanut butter or brownie filled cups. At 1 net gram of carb per piece and sweetened with erythritol and stevia, these are so incredibly decadent. And lastly, but definitely not least, is the Keto Pint ice cream bars. These are the sea salt caramel flavored, and at 2 grams of net carbs per bar, these are amazing. You can have your ice cream and eat it too. And I'm hoping Costco brings more flavors in the future. So what are your favorites? What'd I miss? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.